हम कोंकणी बोले था because I am married into a Saraswat family. Saraswats from Mangalore, a place called Munkur, very close to Udupi, Shirali. Then I studied in Andhra, but learned the language because I stayed in the Saraswat colony in Santa Cruz. So for 60 years, I stayed there. This is a joke. Please do not take it seriously. What I'm going to tell you now, don't publish it. Otherwise, I'm not going to see my wife at all, ever again. When I was dating my wife, my in-laws said, "Tu Konkani atva?" No, fully Konkani. After that, I knew Konkani. I mean, I could speak it. But now I speak it like a Saraswati. So they said the prerequisite is you learn the language, then you take my daughter. So I made it a point to learn the language and then take the daughter. And not take the daughter and then learn the language.
The film will be Mangolian or Goan tone?
Goan tone. Why? Goan tone.
It's a Sasti.
That is, now me being an actor, I have to try and learn the language according to the script, which is, I don't find it very difficult, but I need to get the intonations correct. I asked Mukesh also just now. There was a word that I was a little confused about. So I asked him, I said, how do you pronounce this word? He said, this word can be pronounced in many ways. It could be in South Goa, it could be in North of Goa, it could be in South of Goa, somewhere else, and not Salsette. So I've tried to learn it. I'll do my level best. He is of course a very experienced director. I have Mukesh with me, so I don't need to be worried about. If I don't speak it, he will come at the back and say the lines, and I just move my lips. So yeah, I mean, I'm sincerely looking forward to this. I've been learning my lines. I've been working hard on the script since the time Rajendra gave it to me. Now, koshish karta.